At Syspex, we help you make packaging faster, safer, and smarter through automation. It starts with the e-shrink machine, which wraps each product quickly using shrink film and heat. This speeds up the process and keeps your items well protected. After that, the e-packaging labeling head automatically applies clear and accurate labels so every product is properly identified. Next, the conveyor system moves each item smoothly with no jams and no stops. This keeps your line running efficiently. Carton boxes are formed and sealed automatically at the bottom, ready for packing right away. Then our cobots pick up the shrink-wrapped items and gently place them into cartons. This reduces manual work, improves safety, and saves time. To protect products during transport, we add cushioning materials like paper and air bubbles. Our on-demand cushioning system helps you save space and reduce costs while keeping your goods safe. After sealing, the cobots stack the cartons neatly on pallets. This improves safety, reduces injuries, increases productivity, and helps address labor shortages more effectively. Our AMRs, automated mobile robots, then carry the pallets to the stretch wrapping station. This removes the need for heavy manual lifting and makes the process safer. Once wrapped, the AMRs transport the pallets to storage. The high-speed doors open automatically, and the SysGuard Gobo projector displays a warning sign to alert nearby workers of moving forklifts. This helps keep everyone safe. Next, we move into Syspex's automated material handling solution. The AMRs place the pallets at the unloading station where operators use the Tawi vacuum lifter to move boxes onto metal racks safely and easily. This reduces strain and protects your team. Our AGVs carry these metal racks smoothly across workstations to keep the workflow continuous, efficient, and organized. With Syspex automation, your packaging and warehouse operations become faster, safer, and more consistent. We help you save time, lower costs, and reduce reliance on manual labor. Let's automate your process together. Contact Syspex today to find the right solution for your business.